All right, over here with some maintenance, man, some work. I want to keep these guys healthy, so it's been a long time. I have not done a water change. I'm talking months and months, probably 6 months. So I'm gonna do a half water change. I got some goodies here, man. Right now, I just came across this goodie. It has nothing to do with RC. What the heck is this? Maybe some. Please be my pumps. Yeah. Oh snap. Yeah, wow, some heavy duty shit. Wow. Dual jet head, man. Not one, but two. Oh, it's gonna be like a river in this bitch. Hell yeah. All right. This should definitely give some good water flow here. All right, I kept blowing these damn these river makers up. I kept constantly going through many of them. This is the biggest one that they make too. And this is it. And now they're talking about that discontinued and shit. Look at that. It's a 2400. It's the biggest one they got. Single-headed. It did okay. I went through about 5 of these. I'm done. I'm done with that. So we don't have a single anymore. We got a dual. So this is like for well oversized fish tanks, next level fish tanks, and even some people use them in ponds. But we're gonna put it in here. The reason why is I got some pretty big fish, and yes, it's a big tank, but it's actually small now because it's overcrowded. And the bigger these guys get, the more overcrowded it's gonna be, and the more issues you're gonna have. So I am no longer accepting any more fish. Whatever goes from here goes. Unfortunately, you know, whatever passes away passes away. That's it. Whoever's left stays here. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be, because these guys eventually gonna get way too big, and I'm not gonna do the custom tank that I had planned to do some years ago. All right, about 5 years ago, I was gonna do a big ass tank right here that you could see from one end to the other. It was gonna be huge. It was gonna be 550 gallons, but I never got to do it. All right, I wound up telling my friend to sell it. A friend of mine had a pet store, all right, some time ago, and when he closed his shop, I was gonna take his fish tank that he had in that. It was a 550 gallon tank. It was a monster, and it was gonna take up this spot right here. This spot right here. It was gonna be like a wall, you know. But it was such a pain in the ass to bring it here, and it's just impossible. And to bring it down those stairs, forget it. I'm happy with this. It's good, less maintenance. And then I was gonna put a 700 gallon tank right here. It's gonna be right up over here, big, huge. This is a 220 glass, but I'm more of a glass guy. I don't like acrylic, but this is where I was gonna have it. Anyways, here we go. I gotta set this guy up over here. Wow, huge magnet. Oh, man. This magnet is no joke, man. Holy shit, oh, that's how it's held on, with a magnet. All right, no more suction cup crap. This magnet is no joke, look at it. Wow. Man. Got some cones here. It's probably director cones or whatever the hell they're called. All right, great. No freaking directions, no nothing. That's simple. But it comes with nothing. I have no idea what the. This is what I got. Yeah, obviously, there you go. That's why. Made in China. I got nothing here. Let's see. This pump has been broke for a while now, and the reason why it took me so long to get it is because I always go to my friend's pet stores. I have another friend that has a pet store, and I always go to his store. If he doesn't have it, then I'll go to like a Petco or something like that. No one had the river maker pump that I wanted. All right, so I went with this beast. Obviously online, I had to get it I got an electric pump I'm gonna cheat with, and we'll be siphoning. While we drain water, we're gonna be cleaning the gravel as well with this. That's how I do it. And that's it. All right, once I get halfway, we're gonna fill her up. Then I'll add some stress coat, then I'll add a little bit of salt, but aquarium salt. This is a freshwater tank. This is not a salt water, but I do add some aquarium salt. All right, it helps. It's good for the fish. And stress coat. I go through lots of this. Lots of stress coat. Shake them up. Since they're getting too big, I'm thinking possibly eliminating one of these things. I'm also gonna pop one of these guys in. I've had it here for a long time. And my best helper just showed up. Hi, babe. What did you have, a union break or something?
Pizza.
Pizza, uh-huh. All right, so this is what that discontinued pump I used to have. Like I said, look, I have another one here. I went through many of these, man. At least they came with directions and everything, but I can't even, like, I went through 5 of these. And I've even saved parts to rebuild some, but I'm done. Look, this is how I'm gonna rebuild it. Look, 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 look. See ya. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I don't even, that's it, done, over. I'm done with that. I'm done. All right. Put my new flashlight
Wait, that's new.
over here.
I don't like this.
All right. You all ready with this?
Yeah, you hold it. I don't.
Hold that.
I have to hold it again.
Yeah.
I don't like this, okay?
All right. She's flowing good. Make sure there's no kinks. Don't take it off the ground. Off the ground, I told you. Okay, let's do this. Thanks, babe. Yeah. Now we're talking. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Fish poops. Fish poopies. Yeah.
Hey, is that actually fish poop?
What?
Is that fish poop?
Yeah.
Actually?
Look at that black stuff. Look at that. Zah.
Oh, so fish.
Yucks.
Do fish please.
Look at that. I mean,
Ew. The walk on going on.
all right. All right. Let me focus on this. All right. Filling up my tank. I think I did a little more than less than that. There's my new pump. My new Powerheads here. 2-in-1. This thing should be crazy. Hopefully. Hopefully it's overkill. Get some nice flow. Alright, I want to fill this guy up, get my filter pumping, get the heat going, get these power heads moving. I put a new aerator here. Yeah. Alright, till next time. This glass cleaner's pretty cool, this magnet shit. Alright, there you go. We put 3 of these for now, then another 3 once this water is filled. I already did 3 of these. I'm gonna do another 3 once we're up top. Almost. We just threw some more stress coat, a little bit of more of that aquarium salt. That's it. I can't wait till I get a little above that power head over there so I can turn on the pumps. I want to check out, see how that sucker's gonna work like. Right now the fish seem to be doing a little better. Look at them. It's chilling. I took that center thing out. There's that catfish that keeps hiding, man. I thought he had died, man. He's the one that nobody ever sees. He's constantly hiding in that thing that I had here. This here. It's constantly hiding on this. He lived in here. He lived in here for 2 years at least. 2 years at least, maybe 3. That thing, when I got him, he was tiny. He was tiny. A while back, I used to have a 72 bow fish tank here, and he lived in that with my glowfish at the time. Getting closer and closer. It's going quick. I think I'm gonna turn this guy on. Yep, let's turn it on. Let's get these guys flowing. I want to see that for the first time. Let's see. Let's turn this guy on. Oh yeah. Oh snap. Oh. Oh man, they're gonna have a river. They're gonna have a current to swim off of that thing, man. The thing's pushing water good. Oh yeah. Yeah, now we got some good circulation in this sucker. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like never before. Good, good. Adjust this to 728. Yeah, there we go. Get the lights on. Yeah, let's see. What we got here? Oh yeah, look at that river, baby. Look at this river. Oh hell yeah, nice, nice. Look at that. Nice. All right. Little update here with my fish tank. I'm gonna let this all settle. I'm gonna have myself a nice fat boy dinner. I'll be back. All right, here we go. Just finished dinner. Over here chilling with Oreo. Look at him over here chilling. I'm gonna close this light over here real quick for us. Just a last look over here. All the fish are doing well. Finally, they look happy. They didn't look good the past couple of days. My Oscar fish passed away. All right, I had a tiger Oscar. I had an albino Oscar. They're both gone. And I love Oscars. I'd like another one, but I cannot add any more here. So that's it. My arowana is just chilling over here with that river, with that pump, just like chilling up against that current. All the fish seem happy. That's it. My ID shark here. That's it. Just over here, a quick look. I don't know where that is. The other catfish. There's the guy that's been hiding all this time. There he is. Look at him. Oh damn. He came up to me, the son of a bitch. Come on. Maybe it's a good thing I took that. Kept hiding. Did he just try to attack me? There's a light on my camera here. Just snapped at me, that son of a bitch. Finally, he's out there in the day, huh? Look at my fig tree cuttings. They're doing awesome. They're doing awesome. I'm gonna have to up-pot these guys. Oh, wow. Nice. Over here with the whole blue. Nice. Goes good with my shells. Very nice. Over here chilling. Yes, I should be wrenching. Yes, I know. But you know what? I'm gonna go chill, man. I'm good. I'm good. I have so much. I gotta get ready for racing, and I'm not even ready. Whatever, man. I don't care. This is a hobby, guys. Don't let your hobby control your life. You understand? Just you make sure that your hobby makes you laughter, that it's fun. Because once the fun goes, it's no longer a hobby. You understand? So, I should be working on these, but I'm not. Why? Because I'm not. Any questions? I think it's time to do a little something with the Chrome Losi 5T. Especially for what's coming up next. Unfortunately, an anniversary of my favorite, my Chevy brother, King Chevy brother, Dale Earnhardt, the anniversary of his passing will be coming up soon. I don't like to celebrate anniversaries of passings, of people passing away, but I did do a full build on my 5T of memory of Dale Earnhardt. So, and it's been a couple of years. I never got to finish it. So, I think it's time we got to finish that before anything else. Before anything else. Especially that next Sunday, 1 week from today, the Daytona 500 will be starting. And it was at the Daytona 500 where this man right here had a bad crash and unfortunately passed away. Alright, so 2001. I'm sure a lot of you guys remember that. Look at this. This is a glove that this man wore. Alright, look at it. There's a piece of metal from his car. You know, I have a piece of tire from him. Anyways, yeah, so I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to try. Hopefully I'm not too crazy busy at work. We're expecting snow. It's supposed to get a little nutty here, but I want to get to fire her up in memory of Dale Earnhardt. All right, after all, I did do this. I kind of lost my mind a little bit, lost a little control with all the chroming of the parts. I try to do the best I can. I have a wrap that I still have to do on this from Just Signs and Designs. I got it here. Hopefully it's not too old. It's probably like 2 years old now. All right, hopefully it's not stuck together. I can still use it. You know, so I wound up getting these Goodyear tires, you know, the Bishop slicks with the Goodyears on them. And that's it. So let's see if we can do that. So let's see what happens for next Sunday. All right, so stay tuned. We got a few things coming up.